Girl, where you been? Girl, where you been? Where you been, girl? Hey guys, so welcome back to the Nikki Heartbeat channel. Yes, I'm still here. Yes, I've been gone for a month and some change. Yes, I have good reasons. There are some reasons. There are. 2 weekends in a row I was sick. One weekend I went on vacation. And then the other weekend, I don't know what happened. I think I tried to film and then it just didn't turn out well. I'm here today with the Perception palette from Shayla and ColourPop. I'm going to use this palette, some of her products from her collection, and some other palettes. Just going to mix it up. I want to do like a dark smoky eye for you guys today. So let me go ahead and do this eye first because we don't know what's going on. And then I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is what I came up with, this blue smoky eye with color 14 from the palette. Look, here come the mirror. The mirror coming back now. I can't help it, you guys. I need my mirror. Okay, so once that base is on, I'm gonna go in with the color Culture. I'm going to be using my Morphe M511 brush, and then I'm going to use my MAC 286 brush. Then I'm going to go in with the color Revenge in the same two brushes, and I'm going to just start right here in the crease and just start carving out the shape of my eye. You guys, I am truly a fan of Makeup Shayla. I met her one time at a meet and greet that she had in Atlanta. It was at the Perimeter Mall, and it was a Makeup Forever event, and she was just so nice, so humble, on time, okay? And I didn't really use any of their products at the time when I met her. So the way that I ended up buying some of the products from Makeup Forever was, in order to get her signature, you had to buy a product. So they were selling the stick foundations, which I love. I have one of them right here. So I love these stick foundations. So I thank you, Makeup Shayla. Because of you, I ended up buying one just to get your signature, and now I'm a big fan. I think it was a really good collab. I'm not gonna lie though, I low-key wanted her to collab with a different company though, only because I feel like everybody was collabing with ColourPop. I would love to see her collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills, but if you know the tea, you know she won't be doing that, honey. Uh-oh, made a mistake being shady. I'm going to add Played Out, but what I'm going to do is mix Revenge and Played Out to start building that dark color. I'm just going to start at the same place. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with a black from a different palette. Now she has this color right here, which is Stallion, but as you can see, it's a metallic color. She uses it as a black. I'm not that comfortable using that color right now for this look. I think it might throw it off a little bit. So I'm going to go in with the Black Truffle from Huda Beauty, this color here. I'm going to switch my brush to a Morphe 506, and I'm going to start just lightly. When I say tap, I'm about to tap one time, okay, into Black Truffle. And then I'm going to very lightly apply it to my crease. Very lightly doing circular motions. So then I'm gonna use a Morphe M562 brush, and I'm just going to, it's clean, and I'm going to just lightly just blend on top, probably like right over the black. And this is just going to help blend it upwards. Just go back and forth, basically 1 to 2 taps into the black, and then I'm going to lightly build up in my crease, work my way to my inner and outer V's and just slowly halo that eye. And I'm gonna switch. So once I start seeing that I'm getting the gradient that I want, I don't want it to just have like this black line, right? So I'm gonna go back to the Perception palette, Played Out, and Revenge. So I'm just going to tap again my M411 brush from Morphe. You need to go get this brush, FYI. And when I tell you just lightly, I'm just gonna lightly just go over that line. Smoky eye takes time, y'all. It really does. It just takes time, but I really want to start doing more on my channel, more smoky eyes for you guys. And I'm going to lightly, remember this brush is clean, go back over it. So I'll probably do this a couple more times because I want my smoky eye to be perfect. And I'm doing like a circular motion, if you can tell. Let's go in with the star of the show, the color 14. Why the color 14? Honey, I had to look it up. That is the day that she was born on. Makeup Shayla's birthday is September 14th. Boom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Sigma E55 brush and I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus. So we're going to pack that on. Look at that pigment. Oh, it's so pretty. The blue is trending, right? Everybody's doing blue right now. He has a lot of really pretty colors in this palette. I love the way it's organized. Like the first 2 rows are like, hey girl, I'm just casual. I'm not trying to do too much, but I'm still here to slay. And then the last 2 rows are like, who said what? Who? So, and that's what the look I'm doing today, honey. I'm doing that. What you had said, look. All right, so I'm packing this on pretty generous. Not bringing it up too high. I'm not bringing it out too wide. And then I'm going to tap right over the blue, the black. And you want to tap because it just blends better. I'm going to take some brown and Revenge from the ColourPop Makeup Shayla palette and with a little bit more black, and then I'm gonna layer the blue back on top. So before I put on my lashes, I'm going to go in with the inner corner. Now I could have used Unbothered, but I didn't. Sorry, Shayla. I'm gonna use Nylon from MAC. Gonna take my clean brush and just kind of like just blend that in. I don't know what's going on outside. Sounds like somebody's going to a bike club. Like, what's going on here? Take the blue and go right back over it. Ooh. Do want to go into another palette. Sorry, Shayla. And I'm gonna go in with this color Decay, KKW, and Mario. She doesn't have a matte stark white color in her palette, and I have to give my brow bone the moment she deserves. I mean, it's only right. Then I'm going in with my blending brush. So now I'm gonna pop on my favorite lashes. All right, y'all, so this is the eyes, the Prep and Prime, and the Farsali NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. Now I've used it on my friend several times. It's her foundation, and every time I used it on her, I'm like, oh, I want this foundation. So now I got it. She gave it to me as a gift. It was darker than I thought it was. This is too dark. Oh, maybe it's not. But maybe it is. I don't know. We're gonna find out, honey. We're gonna find out if it's too. Oh, it's not too dark, you know. Okay, never mind. Ooh. It is kind of dark, but you know I like my foundation dark. Go in with my Becca under eye primer. So I'm using a new concealer, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm using the Cover Effects. I think this is their only concealer right now. I could be wrong, but this is how it looks. More yellow than I usually go with, but the coverage looks pretty good. And I'm using some Laura Mercier powder. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm going in with the color NC25. I'm just gonna set down the center of my face. And now I'm gonna add some color back to my face, because girl, you look like Casper the Ghost. I'm going to press that in everywhere else that I did not put the NC25. So with the same color, I'm going to do my nose contour really quick with the MAC powder. Now I got my brows on. Let's finish the face, and then we'll do under the eyes last. We'll do that last. So I'm gonna go in with an oldie but goodie. Give Me Sun from MAC. Looks like this. This face needs a little bit of warmth. So I got the color Boomin' from the Shayla and ColourPop collection right here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at, ooh, Just stop what you're doing, please. What somebody said? What? Who? That's what, yeah, yeah, that's what had happened. Do like to go back over it just to make sure there's no harsh lines. Okay, so basically everything I put in my crease, it's gonna go on my lower lash line. Basically Culture, Revenge, Played Out, maybe some Black Truffle, and maybe a little bit of 14 on my lower lash line. Okay, you guys, so I added the blue to the bottom and I absolutely love it. And right now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my nose highlight. I'm gonna use Boomin'. You have to say it like her. And then I always like to go back over with whatever color I use for my nose contour, just to hug the highlight. That's all. Quickie, it looks like this. For your perfect nude lip, I'm going with Spice from MAC. And you know I'm gonna use Baddest Black Honey from Makeup Shayla and Maybelline. Okay guys, so let me do something with this hair and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. And yes, I'm feeling like, you know, a little Makeup Shayla-ish. You know, I am a big fan, like I said before, of Makeup Shayla. So anything she does, I have to support. I hope you guys already have this palette. If you don't, make sure you go out and get it so you can do a look like this. There's so many looks that you can do. I mean, these two rows on this end is, you know, I'm just here to slay. I'm cute. You know, I'm doing what I do. And then these two rows here is like, what you said, kind of slay. So pick your poison. It's all about your perception. You like how I had did that? I have to say, Boomin' highlight. Honey, this is gonna be all summer. This is gonna be all summer type of highlight. Oh yeah. The foundation. So this NARS foundation, oh my gosh, it's everything, you guys. I love it so much. I'm so glad that my friend got it for me. What else did I use that was new? This concealer, oh Lord, it was so good. but I barely creased before I even said like new concealer alert. Okay, I really hope you guys love this look. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know below what you think. Like the video. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all be looking and watching, but don't be liking. I'll see you in the next tutorial. I love you so much.